Good morning, student. Today's topic is railway station and yard. Railway station and yard. First of all, talking about railway station. Railway station. So we know everyone is aware with railway track or railway line. This is a line or a railway line. A railway line. Okay. A point means a place. A place on a railway line train where train is stopped for clearing of passenger and goods. Clear? So railway station can be defined as railway station can be defined a as a place on railway line where place on railway line where train stop for clearing the passenger and goods So station can be defined as a place on a railway line when train stop for clearing of passenger and goods. Clear? Now, purpose of railway station. Why it is been constructed? That is purpose. Everyone is aware. First purpose. Why it is constructed? For passenger to change the train, for passenger to dislocate. So first reason is to for exchange of passenger second reason for exchange of goods for exchange of good. Okay. Third reason, to control or to maintain the train movement. Means train have to stop at one station and other train have to cross that station. So we are controlling the movement of the train. That local train have to stop, expressway have to pass. Clear? That is known as control of movement. So for control of train movement, or in other word, train to stop, train to go, or train to give lesser speed. Means yellow signal. In yellow signal, train pass the stations slowly. That is known as train movement. To stop, to go slowly, or to fast, to cross the station speedily. That is control of train movement. Second reason, as I earlier said, for the movement of express train, or to enable the express train to overtake. Clear? To enable the express train to overtake. Express train will overtake your local train where at station. Another reason may be to enable the train coming from opposite direction to overtake. Train coming from opposite direction will overtake at your station. Another reason may be for filling of water and diesel in locomotive. means in engine. Diesel is filled in the engine at station and water is filled in the train for the refreshment purpose. Clear? Another reason may be for changing of engine. You have seen at station engines are being changed when coal engine or electric engine is changed to coal engine at a station. Clear? That is also one purpose of station. Same as for attaching or joining or removing the, in other word I can say adding the number of bogies, and for removing the numbers of bogie, in technical word deattaching or attaching of wagons. Clear? These are the purpose of the railway station. Another topic is site selection of station. Clear? Now where you have to construct this station, that are parameter for site selection. So first parameter, adequate land, means area where you are constructing a station. Their land should be adequate. Adequate means in plenty of amount.